Tired of hitting a paywall every time you try to add a price list in Elementor? Learn how to unlock and place this Pro widget in under 2 minutes. We'll open your homepage in Elementor, locate the price list widget, and trigger the upgrade that unlocks all its powerful pricing features. Start by going to Edit Home with Elementor. That's where you'll build your page. Then click on the highlight to select the part of the page you want to tweak. Now click on Price List. This adds a price list widget to your design. Click on Upgrade to present items, descriptions, and pricing in a cohesive structure. Once you do that, click on Upgrade Now to confirm. Then click Upgrade Now again to finish the job, and you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.